Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you boys and girls? Welcome back in science class. Today's topic is still about skeleton. Today we are going to learn about why do we need skeleton. There are some function of our skeleton for our body. Do you still remember in the first meeting? I saw you this picture to illustrate it how if we didn't have skeleton, our body will be like this. So the first function of our skeleton for our body is to support our body and give it shape. Can you imagine if our body didn't have skeleton? Your body will be like this. You will be a blob on the floor. Maybe your body will be like worm or jellyfish. Actually, there are animals that are called invertebrates. These animals they do not have backbones or spines like worm, jellyfish, snail, and so on. Okay, so there is the first function of our skeleton, and then the next function of our skeleton protect our important organ. Can you mention your bones that protect our important organ? Yes, number one is skull. Our skull protects our brain. As we know, our brain is very important for our body. Next, can you mention the next bones that can protect our organs? Yes, the answer is our ribs. Our ribs protect our heart and lungs. So when there is something hit your chest, your lungs and your heart still safe. Next, our bones actually are very strong, but however they can still break if there is a large and sudden force acting on them. It's called broken bones, and that are called fracture. Usually doctor take special photo using X-ray to show where is the bone that are broken. This is the picture, or called fracture. So we have to take care of our bones. How to take care of our bones? First, when you are cycling or riding motorcycle, don't forget to wear your helmet because it protects your skull. Next, how to take care of our bones? Don't forget to put on knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guard to protect your bones. And then the next, to take care of our bones, and don't forget to consume plenty of calcium and more vitamin D. As we know, foods that contain a lot of calcium and vitamin D we can find on dairy product or fish. So don't forget to always consume dairy product or fish. Next, as what I said on the first lesson, that the skeleton support our body and give it shape. But there is question, why children are small and adults are big? And how we get bigger as we get older? To answer this question, we have activity. After that, you may open your lesson kit. There is a science worksheet in there, like this. You will measure your bones. You will compare your bones with your sister bones or your parents' bone. What you have to do first is like this. Record your bone measurement in this table. You will measure your humerus. You see the humerus? Yes. This is upper arm bone. And your femur or thigh bone. Compare with your sister, brother, or your parent. Record in this table. You may use a tape measurement or a ruler to measure it. And then after that you may to make a chart bar in here. For example, if your humerus bone, the length of the humerus bone, your humerus bone is 15 centimeter, so you make chart like this. And then, if your, for example, this is just a sample. If your sister length bone, or your sister humerus bone, the length is 19 centimeter, draw a chart like this. And then go on to your parents, and then for the femur or thigh bone, measure and compare with your sister, brother, or your parents. Okay, that's all the activity what you can do this day. After that, after you finish, you may submit it through the Google Classroom, or you may to submit it when you take your lesson kit for the next meeting. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.